Okay. Yay, it looks like someone wants to order a slime. She says she wants a couple of slimes, a lot of slimes actually. Just keep on scrolling down the list. Dang, that's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 slimes. Guys, we have 8 slimes. Okay. Let's just see what type of slimes we have. I have 8 of these. These slimes will work. Okie dokie. This orange slime is not my favorite. This blue one's melted. This purple one's too tough. This yellow one is okay. I suppose it's good enough. This one is probably gonna make a poop color when it's mixed. This is an avalanche slime. It's pretty nice. Oop, the lid's already coming off. It's gonna spill all over the container. She's gonna love that. This slime is good. This one is pretty nice also, except for the fact that it's pretty liquidy. It's a good enough slime. And let me just get her a note saying all sales are final. See, I have this. Here's an all sales are final. This is my notes. All sales are final. Enjoy. Okie dokie. Let's go deliver this box to her. She says she's at Southwest Indigo Street. Okay, let's go. Here's your slime. Enjoy. Thank you so much. Okay. Just gonna walk on home, deliver this package, and go on home now. Hi everybody, it's Molly and welcome back to my channel. Today I've gotten a slime package and it's so easy. I found this slime shop and their pictures look so great. So I'm gonna have some activator on my side in case of an emergency. But other than that, let's get into the package. Ordered 8 slimes, hopefully I get it. Okay, this is the first one. It's really pretty. I need an orange. I didn't order an orange slime, but it's okay. Ooh, it's like an orange fruit cup. Maybe when I ordered my pineapple fruit cup, she got confused with she's salty. Maybe she just got fruit cup. I was looking for an orange fruit cup. Maybe she didn't read the pineapple at the end. But it was okay. It's a little sticky, but it will be okay. Second one is this blue one. Oh wait, there's a note. There's a note. It says, all sales are final. Enjoy. But it's ripped, so I might just be because of shipping. Okay, this is so melted. Okay. Needs activator, stat. Activator, stat, I said. Activator, stat. Okie dokie. This is good. Okay, let me just like poke it. Okie dokie. This is actually okay. This slime isn't the best, but it's an okay slime. I definitely would buy it, but I'm definitely gonna ask her if what the slime was good. This is blue coal, what all my slimes were called and stuff. So I can just see what it is, so I can tell you what to recommend. But if you see a slime like this on the shop, try to order it. I mean, I didn't order it, but it's okay. It's just really melted, so you're gonna have to have some activator. She didn't provide me with any activator, but perfectly fine. Okay, I have this. Whoa, this looks melted. You see this? Oh, okay. It's actually somewhat. It's actually like a black. Oh, I remember. I did order this slime. This is unicorn coffee slime. I remember I ordered this one. I definitely ordered this. It's unicorn coffee. I remember I ordered this one. It's okay. It's got a case of stickers and stuff here. Other than that, it's okie dokie. It's an artichoke and it is amazing. So now I just add some afternoon and now it's a-okay. So I don't get what the problem was, but say it was pretty nice. Okie dokie. This twisted cat back on. That's pretty nice. Okay, let's pick a random one. Oh, this lid almost gave. Oh, this is an avalanche. I didn't order. Oh, this is tough one. This is really stretchy. It's more of like a stress pain, but it's not very stretchy. It's really regular. I'm not a fan of that. This is prettiest, but definitely the worst also and over at the vegan time, and I don't really like that, so yeah, I'm not really a fan of it. I'm also not really a fan of this angle. So I'm gonna angle it here, so now it's easier for you to see. There will be background noises, but that's just my fault. So sorry. Okay. So it's in the center line. I don't know what it's called. Did she give me a list? There's only one paper in there. There's a baby on it. That's just very obnoxious. I'm sorry. This slime is actually really good, so I'm actually liking it. But I didn't really feel this. Popcorn. I need popcorn. This is not very gorgeous. This is a slime, and I thought it would be pretty sweet. Where that is. It's like yellow. Yeah, there's a pink angle. You've got like a brown, like a green, and a blue. Oh, it's really sharpy. That coverage. Hi! She caught herself. There's a little baby. While I'm doing my slime review. Who is it? Just kidding. Bye. Okay, gotta get back to my video. So it is this one. It's kind of weird. Okay, so now there's a baby. Oops, someone's at the door.
Oh my gosh, what is that all about? You are so fake. We haven't heard any of that.
Okay, I found a better set.
She just had the biggest poop diaper, just so you know, so she should be good for you.
Okay, I'm just gonna get a new setup here, everyone. So I can get
Exactly, that's what I said. I was like, what in the world?
can't get a good setup anymore.
Girl.
Okay, got a good setup. Okay, so our second also this purple one, and it has a lot of low. I remember passing by this one. It had a lot of low reviews. It is not good. This was like honey and milk. That's really nice. My very last slime is this purple and blue one, and it's marble, and it looks really soft. I really like it.
Will you tell your mama all the stuff you ate today?
So yeah, it was great. So yeah, that's it. A couple of these slims were good, a couple of these were bad. So I paid like $100 for these. I really don't think it's worth it. But some of these were good. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed my slime. This is not a real video. I'm just reviewing my own slimes I made. But I literally ruined them just for this video.
Yogurt. I forgot to get it.
So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this. Bye!